I don't remember the last time I stepped out the door, smelled the fresh asphalt of the pavement, felt the light tickling on my neck as the wind brushed through my hair. Everything feels far away, like a different life, a different me. My body is engulfed by dullness. It's an embodiment of transitoriness. Now, it's just me and the screen. The screen, so empty and bright.
You fail because you don't work hard enough. Work too lazy.
Nobody wants you. Get some real muscle, like a real man. Protein, gym, that's the life of a real man.
Make money fast. Invest money.
Every day is like the other. I wake up, I work, I catch up, and I sleep. Over and over and over again. Like an intruder trapped in the matrix in this wretched 20 square meter of existence. My world is a mere projection of the paleness of my screen. The walls show the shadows of objects which lost their originality a long time ago. The air is saturated with the brumming sounds coming from the screen. My ears are bombarded by the constant ding ding. Even when I eat, when I sleep, when I breathe, I'm being watched. My own cellar. They're whispering to me, judging. I will let everyone down. I'm drowning. Water slides slowly to every inch of my body. Overflowing my lungs with an endless stream of water. So sticky and demanding, left me almost unconscious with a gasp of agony. Memento mori, that's all I could think of. My only refuge was my dreams, a world where no one could chase me. But how ironic. I couldn't even sleep. I was closer and closer to losing myself completely in the dark sea of nothingness. Until one day, from nothing, it felt like my lungs forgot to function. Drowning in despair on the hollowness of the dark universe. I tried to scream, but no sound left my mouth. was gasping for air, but my lungs wouldn't fill no matter how hard I tried. I was flailing around, but there was nothing to grab onto. Everything was a blur, a dissonance of color and sound trapped me inside the eye of the storm. I tried to open my eyes. The light is blinding me. Am I dead? Am I in heaven or channel? I look around. I see nothing but Mom crying. I don't understand why she is apologizing. It should be me, to myself. I let the tank fill so much that even a single drop could make it overflow. I was the one who hasn't realized how much it affected me. I haven't even known there was a way to get out of the water. But now, someone can listen to the sound of the water with me. I can finally learn how to breathe again.
Mental health issues are ubiquitous. They can happen to anyone, anywhere, and any time, especially in times that seem dominated by violence, war, and hatred, triggered by the numerous news all over the world. However, we all deserve a boat to stay afloat in these tough times. We all deserve to be heard and to be loved.
Life is so fragile and too delicate that we're constantly scared it'll fall apart. It is a messy yet wondrous garden with all its beautiful thorns and hideouts. It's not meant to be perfect. It's about being there for each other and growing together. That's the best part of being a human, part of humanity. It's not about you or me. It's about us. We all deserve to breathe freely and fill our lungs full of hope and light. Make mental health a global priority for all.